Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Let's start our discussion with the project title of M-Privacy for Collaborative Data Publishing, which comes under the Readme section on knowledge and data engineering. Let's move to its abstract of this paper. The success of data mining relies on the availability of high quality data. To ensure quality data mining, effective information sharing between organizations become a vital requirement in today's society. Since data mining often involves person-specific and sensitive information like medical records, the public has expressed a deep concern about their privacy. Privacy-preserving data publishing is a study of eliminating privacy threats. At the same time, it also preserves useful information in the released data for data mining. Now I can explain you the data flow diagram of this project. At the first step, we have to load a medical data set into our database. Then we have to fetch the loaded data set from the database to start computing its sequential value background knowledge, which is used for the further calculations. Then we have to start our knowledge extraction process. Under this knowledge extraction process, we have to calculate the posterior background knowledge and the reversed background knowledge with the help of this evaluated sequential value, which can be acts as a conditional probability. After this process, we have to start our anonymization process. For this anonymization, we have anonymity values, which is acts as a threshold value which derived from the reversed background knowledge. Using this K anonymity, we can anonymize the medical data sets zip codes for each of the records of a particular data. So after K anonymity has been completed, we can start over with the T closeness, which used to anonymize the each record's sex values into an anonymized form. Once the anonymization has been complete, we can ready to publish the dataset into the database. It is ready to publish on a database. Now I will show you the demo of this project starting from its home page, which shows you the project title, and we can now release the dataset from this database, and we just load those dataset into this table. From here we can start pre-processing our dataset. Here I just loaded this dataset and start over with the pre-processing. I have eliminated all those duplicate records right here, and then I will move over with the calculation of sensitive values. So here I have calculated this, and gets displayed right here for each of the medical records. So using this sensitive values, I'll just start calculating the sequence values. So here I just displayed the background knowledge sensitive values, and start my calculation of sensitive values. Once it is calculated successfully, I can just display those values right here for each of the medical records. So now I will start computation with the posterior background knowledge for each of the data set. So here we have considered 4 types of data set in a table 1 and table 2, table 3, table 4. So here is the probability background knowledge, posterior background knowledge for the table 1 and for the table 2, and this is for table 3 and table 4. So using this posterior background knowledge, we can calculate its reverse background knowledge for table 1 and table 2, which gets appended below each of the tables values right here. So from the reverse background knowledge, so this I can extract the threshold values from this values, and I can start over with the anonymity of original data records. So using this K anonymity, I will just convert those original data set into anonymized forms. So here we have just grouped out the patient's age of 4 types of tables like this up to 60. So these are the anonymized form of zip codes which we have converted into a star format, just leaving the common values. So I can start over with the L diversity. So this L diversity is a enhancement work in this project. So here I just calculated a values both for a female and a male one. So these are the same values for the females, and these are the values for the male. So using this L diversity, I can just start anonymizing the gender values into anonymized forms. So like this. So this is our last process that we are going to publish in our dataset. So thank you for watching this video.